Okay, so for those of you who have been to the salon and you've just come back and you love your hair and you've got it all exactly how you want it, a nice curly blow dry, but you want it to last for another day, or you just want it to last as long as possible, my advice to you is a secret tip would be to pin it back up. Okay, so you only really want to be doing this if you want your blow dry to last till tomorrow, or you want it to last for a few days. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you are going to need some bobby pins. Got a lot. So you just need a few bobby pins, and we're going to start off at the top. So we're going to take a section, not too big, not too small, it's about that much, and I'm going to put 2 fingers in, and I'm just going to curl it round my 2 fingers. Okay, and then I'm going to pin it. Just like that. Okay, let's get the next section. So I'm going to take straight underneath, and I'm going to take 2 fingers, curl it around my 2 fingers, and then pin. Okay, again, let's do this side. So take a small section, 2 fingers, and keep working around the rest of the head. Okay, so the back ones, I'm going to take around the crown. I'll go a bit lower so you can see. 2 fingers in, exactly the same. I'm just going to spin it round and pin. So we're not like really tugging, we're just loosely taking a piece of hair that's curled, putting 2 fingers in and just spinning it round and then pinning it. Okay, there we go. So it might look a little bit silly, but it's just going to help your blow dry last even longer. And it's a great opportunity, like whilst you're not doing anything around the house, like this is the time that you do your makeup, this might be the time that you're getting dressed. Okay, so now I'll just take it out again. See, I've only left mine in for 2 minutes, but it's just to show you guys. And when you take it out, it should still be really nice and curly. Not all of you will want to try this, but those of you that do, it's a really good opportunity to try. because it does look really pretty then when you take it down, and you've got that really nice big bouncy blow dry still. For those of you that don't want to do it, just wait for me to blow dry your hair when I'm back. Okay, but there you go.